Understanding IRA Accounts. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic in the financial world, IRA accounts. Whether you're planning for retirement or just curious about financial terms in English, this video is for you. We'll break down what an IRA account is, how it works, and why it's important. An individual retirement account, IRA, is a type of savings account in the United States that offers tax benefits to encourage saving for retirement. There are different types of IRAs, but they all share the same purpose: to help you save for your future. It's a crucial part of retirement planning for many Americans. There are mainly two types of IRAs: traditional IRA and Roth IRA. Traditional IRA, here, your contributions may be tax deductible, but you'll pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. Roth IRA, contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals during retirement are tax-free. Understanding the difference is key to choosing the right one for your financial situation. IRAs offer several benefits. Tax advantages. The most significant benefit is the tax advantage, either tax-deductible contributions or tax-free withdrawals. Compound interest. Over time, the interest earned is reinvested, leading to potentially significant growth. Flexibility. You can choose different investment options within an IRA, like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Eligibility. Generally, if you have earned income, you can contribute to an IRA. Contribution limits. There are annual limits to how much you can contribute, which may change from year to year. Understanding these rules is important for effective retirement planning. I hope this video has helped clarify what an IRA account is and how it can be a valuable tool for your retirement planning. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start thinking about retirement. Stay tuned for more videos on English financial terms, and happy learning!